Hi guys, it's DK388. Welcome back to another video. And just in time for summer, we have the Black & Decker 60cm corded hedge trimmer. So it's perfect for the summer garden work. And it does come with 10 meters of cabling. And the model is BEHTS501. And this was bought from an online retailer for just under £80. You might get it on offer if you can time it right. And obviously it's made in China. And it does come with a 2-year Black & Decker guarantee. So using our favourite unboxing tool, let's get this cracked open. So first impressions as it's come out of the box is comes with a nice little saw tip at the end. All plastic of course for the price point. It's fairly light at 2.65 kilograms and is an untethered model. The cable is separate within the box. Does come with a dual trigger handle for safety. Would have been nice to see a hard cover for the sort of blades, but for the price point I guess that's a cost cutting exercise. And the cabling's 10 meters long. It does come with a dust cap, and similar to an EV car the cable is separate from the unit. I guess from a manufacturing point of view it just streamlines it all. The instructions are inside for some safety tips and obviously tips on how to operate and cut hedges. So have a quick flick through that. Let's try a live demo version. So using the untethered cable, one end does come with the dust cap, and then you just slot it in at the bottom of the hedge trimmer. You can loop the cable into the handle as shown here on screen, so to prevent the plug from accidentally pulled out during operation. But like me, it does take a few attempts to get the plug in. There's no safety pin or anything like that. And as mentioned, it is a dual trigger handle, so you need to have the left and right hands needs to be on the trigger buttons, levers for it to operate. So this is just a time-lapse footage of some shrubs that have overgrown at the front of the house. And you can see it does make quite light work of it, and it can cut up to 25 millimeters of branches, and the saw blade at the end is about 35 millimeters if you need to cut anything thicker. So questionable skills on the hedge cutting, but the machine does operate very well. And it's light to use for the price point. It does offer very good value for money, and this is the before and after. Thanks for watching.